you feel guilty of not finishing the books which you bought? If the answer is yes, then you need to watch this video. So here's the thing, guys. There's no necessity that you have to read each and every page from that book. Remember, you are no more in school, you're no more in college, there's no examination. You have bought the book to get ideas which will help you to go closer towards achieving your goal. And these ideas should be related to the goal which you want to achieve, not random ideas, because random ideas will give you overwhelmness and pull you back towards comfort zone. That means doing nothing. If you want to crack an interview and you have bought a book related to an interview, if you read just the first 3 chapters and you got 2 ideas which really help you to apply in the interview, that's enough. It helps you to crack the job. That is where we need to focus. And you know what? Once we went closer to the goal from the ideas which we got from the book, you build up a natural desire in you to go further and read the next chapters. And this is where I want you to focus. You need to focus on those ideas, the practical ideas which will help you to achieve your goals faster, and not on reading each page from the book. Yes, this is my message for you.